I'm going to show you how to add an entity onto the complyNC system. We first go up here to the logo and then down to entities, which is a page we're on already, but just show you where it is. And then we go add entity. First thing you're going to think about is what the entity is. So in this instance, it's going to be a ground floor. And we are going to pop that down as the company owner here. Pick the correct address. There is also, if the address isn't there, and it's not that important, there should be an unknown somewhere that you can use within the system. But we know what it is, so we'll put that down. It's not essential. In here is a reference number, can be a serial number. If you want to put a phone number here for your reference purposes, you can do, but those two aren't necessary. Right, so we're going to add a ground floor to, let's see, 48. Well, in fact, we'll add it to 48 Bugle Street. Could be any of these, but we'll add it to this one. So we're just going to see if anything exists there at the moment. Okay, so there are some flats here, but there isn't a ground floor. So we're going to put the ground floor in, and as the top of the entity tree is Bugle Street and a floor comes off of Bugle Street, you'll need to type that in here. So it's 48 Bugle, and then pick from this, which will automatically pop up for you. If, for instance, you are adding a room or one of the flats, you could click this, and then you will hopefully see ground floor and put the flat into the correct area. The manufacturer, this is there's not manufacturers things like this. It'd be if you're doing like a toaster, you want to capture the name of the toaster manufacturer. For this though, we're just going to put unknown manufacturer in there, and the product type is a floor, and the product is a generic floor. Barcode number, if you know that, you can type that in. If it's NFC, this is captured on your Android device and automatically filled in for you there. And the geolocation, nobody actually uses this. If it's useful to you, then feel free to put in the details there. And then all you need to do is hit submit. That will have added it to this property here. And I can show you on the tree view here. You can see ground floor.